Hi everyone, it's Rami. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make duck prosciutto. First thing you're going to need simply are 2 duck breasts. The next step is to get a sealable container and fill that container up with non-iodized sea salt. Then you want to add some extra herbs and spices of your choice. I personally chose paprika and rosemary. Ensure the whole bottom casing of the container is full of these ingredients. Now place that duck breast skin up onto the salt mixture and ensure that the sides of the duck isn't touching the container at all. Now get some more non-iodized sea salt and completely encase the duck breast in the sea salt, ensuring that the sea salt covers every part of the duck breast. Now top up that salt mix with some more paprika and rosemary. It's up to you how strong you want the flavour to be here. Tightly seal that container and place it in the fridge for 48 hours. After 48 hours, remove it from the fridge and open the container. You should notice at the bottom of the container a lot of juice. This is completely normal. Now give that duck breast a proper rinse. The next step is very important. Ensure that you pat dry the duck breast. Keep patting that duck breast until it's as dry as you can get it. You will notice the duck breast will already have a much darker color to it. This is completely normal. After thoroughly drying the duck breast, place the duck breast inside of a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth. Wrap the duck breast inside of this cheesecloth. Ensure that it is wrapped tight and firm. Now hang that duck breast in the fridge for 14 to 18 days. "14 days later, your duck prosciutto should be smaller, firmer, and have some salty residue. Once you cut the outer edge of the prosciutto, this is when you see the true art come to life. You'll notice a beautiful burgundy color inside with the outer lining of the white duck fat. It's a delicious flavour and the texture does get softer the further in you go. This, my friends, is how you make a duck prosciutto. And it's easy, it's convenient, and it's absolutely delicious. You can keep the duck inside of a cling wrap or in an airtight container for well over a week, in the fridge. Alright, so we're cutting the prosciutto nice and thin. So this has been in the fridge for 2 weeks. You can see it's got a nice dark colour. We got the duck fat around. That's a perfect salami when you think of it. Perfect prosciutto.
Okay.
Alright, so as you can see, something out of the shop. You know, and we made it at home. All it requires is patience and a lot of salt. And it's a success. We're gonna keep making these, guys. Super easy. Just follow the instructions on the video. All right. Enjoy.